Last week I was visiting Star Hospital in Jalandhar. Then he suggested me, because he diagnosed me with the kind of the chronic anal fissure. Then I go through and I'm now feeling very well. This is Yogesh Kumar here. Last week I was visiting Star Hospital in Jalandhar. I personally met Dr. Jasmeet Singh Ahluwalia. He's very kind and very particular about the patient. I go through some kinds of tests, and then he suggests me, because he diagnosed me with the kind of the chronic anal fissure. Then I go through just a minor surgery. Everything was fine. I just came back for follow-up tests more. And he diagnosed some kind of a little bit more issue, but he fixed at the moment, and I'm now feeling very well. So I highly recommend the Star Hospital, every member of here, especially Dr. Jasmeet Singh Ahluwalia. Thanks. If you have any kind of fissure, fistula, piles, or other kind of problems, you must visit Star Hospital. Thank you.